Hey investors, Mumi here, Micro Markets, 16 April 2025. Today I'm going to talk about this idea of a true evergreen bull strategy that I'm currently developing right now. But before this, let's talk about Nasdaq future. Nasdaq future remains intact. The downtrend is still in place, and my hypothesis that there will be minor pullback remains intact as well. Yesterday it touches this area and started to go back down again. So that's that. But without freaking out, right? Currently US stocks is trading at a pretty undervalued level. So this chart is the VTI versus VXUS, which is US versus non-US stocks. And this chart has been around for more than a decade, or more than 1 to 2 decades already, and it has been steady on the uptrend as well. Currently, we're trading at this level, this zone, which is very close to about 2023 January, where when we were trading at that level, eventually we had a 2-year outperformance in the US stock market as well. I wouldn't be sorry for this. And the next bull case, right, that currently the AI sentiments report, most investors that are freaking out, probably a lot of people have panicked as well. This is usually the symptoms that market will start to recover from there. But for tentatively, I'm just staying nimble. Watch out for the Nasdaq futures if there's a way for Nasdaq futures to break out of this. If it does break out of this downtrend channel, then there would be more momentum and more strength coming in. But for the time being, the downtrend still remains intact. What I'm currently doing, right, is I'm developing this, hopefully, possibly the final form of evergreen wheel strategy. I'm doing the wheel strategy as well, but I'm also doing an inverse wheel strategy as well. But before I can do this on a full-fledged manner, currently I'm looking to secure my initial capital, which is about $76,000. And so what I'm going to do is to continue to sell kangaroo cover call at a certain strike price. And if the market will go above that, then yes, I'll have locked in my protected my initial capital and just everything gets liquidated away. But if the market were to stay sideways or downwards, I continue to sell kangaroo cover call to reduce my break-even point so that I can continuously be able to sell within reach and at the same time more and more premiums as well until I get caught away and locking in my initial capital. Other than that, with the remaining $17,000 cash that I have, I'm currently running the wheel strategy as per normal, but I'm also doing this, what I call the inverse wheel strategy for now. Having a wheel strategy and inverse wheel strategy, coming together, that will become the eventual true green wheel strategy. And this, I'm asking to create this, right, to unify all of my previous strategies as well. This inverse wheel strategy is actually to replace my recent my saving back ratio. The good thing about that is I'm able to get a lot of fundings and also make use of the remaining cash that I have. But the issue with that is that it will require a lot of capital, and if there is an assignment in terms of like this sharp market pullback or sharp market bull, then there is a high risk of getting assigned with a lot of shares, and I'm going to just a lot of my capital as well, which I think if I were to just use the usual evergreen wheel strategy, which it has been tried and tested for a long time, and if I were just reverse the logic with short ETF, I'm pretty looking forward for the result over long run. So with that, you can continue to look through the rest of the report. Today we have no profit signal, so it is still very weak. Continue to see through of the support signal might be good in times where there's all this tariff trade war and all. With that, I'll see you again tomorrow.